Sriram, today we will learn a little bit about decimals, okay? We'll just have an introduction. So, what number is this? See, we have two yellow blocks, two yellow 10 rods, and three 1 cubes. So, it is 20. Okay. So, if I write it in a fraction form, suppose I consider this as 1 unit. So, there are 2 units of this and 3 by 10. To help you visualize that better, this is 3 out of 10. Okay, 3 by 10 of the second unit, third unit. I have 2 full units, 2 full tens, 2 units, 2 full units and 3 parts of the third unit. So, if I write it in decimal, it will appear as 2.3. 2 full units and 0.3 of the third unit. Okay, so this is how we represent it in fractions and decimals. So, we will try one more example. Suppose I add 2 more blocks here and I add a few more 1's cubes. So, maybe like, wait. Let me keep it clear so you can count easily. Okay, so this is 40. Yes, 47. You could also write it as, if you write it in fractions, it will be, okay, let me use the other board. In fractions, it will be 4, okay, 4 full units and 7 by 10. Okay, 4 full units, 7 by 10 of the fifth unit. So, if I have to write it in decimals, it will be 4 full units dot 7. Okay, 4.7. So, these 3 ways of representing this number. Now, we have hundreds. Okay, we are looking at slightly bigger numbers. Now, we have hundreds. See, you will write this as 200, 0, 20, yeah, 20, 6, 206. Oh, if we want to represent this as a fraction, okay, we have how many full units? Okay, use this board. We have 2 full units and this is slightly tricky. You have to think 6 units from 6 by. Now, this is very important what you say here. 6 by 1, 0, 0, yes, 6 out of 100. It's not 6 out of 10. 2, 6 by 100. Now, if we have to show it in decimals, 2 dot 6. No. That's where it is different. 2.06 because there are no tens here. There are 6 by 100. That will become 06. Now, if we add tens here, we'll try to do that also. We add maybe 4 tens here. It will become a little more clear if you add this and this. Now, the hundreds place and ones place is the same, but now there is a tens place also. It will be 240, 46 or 7, 46 or 7, check, 6, 246. Now, if we have to represent this in fractions, it will be 2 units, 2 full units, 4 of 10, because it is 40, okay, 40 of 100, we'll say 40 of 100 plus 6 out of, like you did last time, 6 out of 100, yes. if we have to write it in this one as a fraction, this will be, sorry, if we have to write it as decimal, it will be, see Sriram, see, this can also be written as 4 by 10 plus 6 by 100. Yeah, so 2.46, there you got it, 2.46, which tells us that 2 means 2 full units, 2 full units, 4 means 4 out of 10, 40 out of 100 or 4 out of 10, and 6 tells us 6 out of 100. So this is the 10th place. When we do decimals, when we do, the place value is very important here. This is called the 10th place, and this is called the 100th place. Okay, there is no ones in after decimals. 10th place, 100th place, and if there is another number, this is called the 1000th place. Okay, Sriram, see, we already had 246 here, added another 1000 block, so it will become, the number is now 1002 4 6, so it is 1246. So if we have to write this in decimals, let's see how we do that. This is 1 unit of 1000 plus 2 out of 10 hundreds. The next 100, this is 1000. In the next 1000, we have only 2 out of 10 plus 4 out of 100. So 100 tens make 1000, right? So we have only 4 of that, and 6 out of 1000. So if you have to write it in decimals, it will be 1 point. Look at the fractions and then decide, okay? 1 point, we'll use this, 1.246. Okay, 1.246, because 1 by 10 translates to 0.1, 1 by 100 translates to 0.01, 1 by 1000 0.001. Okay, so if you look at these, 2 by 10 will become 0.2, 4 by 100 will become 0.4, and 6 by 1000 will become 0.006. 4 by 100 will 0.04, and 6 by 1000 will become 0.006. This is 1.246. And in this, again, if we look at place values, this is 1's place. After the dot, this is 10's place. This is 100's place. And this is 1000's place.